Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add courses to your LinkedIn profile. This is very simple and can significantly enhance your profile by showcasing the courses and certifications you've completed, especially if you're a Shopify store owner or entrepreneur looking to establish your expertise in a particular field. By adding courses, you can make your LinkedIn profile more attractive to potential clients, partners, and employers. First, click on your profile. Once you're on your LinkedIn profile, you'll see your profile summary and various sections. To begin, click on Add Profile section. This is where you can add or edit various aspects of your LinkedIn profile to make it more complete. From here, expand the Recommended section and then choose Add Courses. This is where you'll be able to list any relevant courses or certifications you've completed, which is especially valuable if you're in a creative field, digital marketing, or e-commerce. Now, you can name your course. For example, let's say you want to add a video editing course to showcase your skills. This is a great way to show your technical abilities if you're offering content creation services on your Shopify store or using video as a marketing tool. You can also add the number of hours you completed for the course, but this is optional. If you did an online course, for instance, the number of hours may not be relevant, but it could be helpful if you're listing more formal courses that require a set amount of time. Next, you need to select which field this course is associated with. For instance, I'm going to choose Content Creator for this example, as it's related to video editing and content production. But you can choose any field that is relevant to the course, such as digital marketing, if you completed a course on social media strategies, or e-commerce for a Shopify-specific course. After that, click Save to save the course to your profile. Once it's saved successfully, scroll all the way down to your profile to see the changes take effect. As you can see, under the Skills section, there is now a Courses section, and you'll see the video editing course listed there. Adding this section not only demonstrates your skills, but also adds credibility to your LinkedIn profile, helping you stand out as a knowledgeable professional in your field. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to add courses to your LinkedIn profile and enhance your professional presence. By showcasing your skills and certifications, you can attract more opportunities and make your profile stand out to potential clients and partners. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Have any questions or want to share your own tips? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep improving your skills, and I'll see you in the next video.